Run CP on a folder in Linux stops you cold with an error. There is one flag you always need to know. The CP command is built to copy files, but directories are a different story. Without extra options, CP simply refuses to copy a folder. You will see an error reading omitting directory. That is because a directory can contain other files and subdirectories nested inside it, so CP needs explicit permission to walk that entire tree recursively. The fix is the -r flag, which stands for recursive. The syntax is straightforward. CP-r, then your source directory, then the destination. For example, CP- on my project backup project. This walks the entire directory tree and copies every file and subfolder inside it. You can also write it as uppercase R. Both flags are completely identical in behavior. When you need to preserve file permissions, ownership, and timestamps, add the -p flag. Even better is -a, short for archive mode, which bundles recursive copying together with permissions, symlink handling, and all file attributes in one flag. One subtle edge case. Putting a trailing slash on your source directory copies its contents into the destination, rather than the directory itself. And hidden .files are included automatically. No extra flag needed. Always use CP-r to copy a directory and everything inside it. Reach for - when you also need to preserve permissions and file metadata. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.